Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have here Project Ratchet's polar ring. They made the Ratchet ring before, which was a mechanical ring, and well, I mean, they still make it. But yeah, they make the Ratchet ring, which is a mechanical ring, and now they make the polar ring, which is a magnetic ring that is quiet when turning, everything clicks, and virtually silent at times. So we get a thank you card, and we get a card about cleaning. It's almost 100% maintenance free. I was asked to not disassemble this ring, but I would not know how to do that anyways. I don't know what this thing is. Here's the ring. I don't know if it's like some kind of stand. I don't know. Ah! Earthquake. I got it in Black Segaiha. It's really hard to get. Oops, upside down. Project Ratchet. But yeah, really hard to get a good look at this. But here's the ring. Can you hear it? Isn't that wild? You are going to hear some squeaks. It's squeaky sometimes. I'm going to have to contact them about this. But aside from the squeaks, it's like dead silent. So you could have this in meetings, in school, on a date. If you're like really bored, you just want to fidget with something on a date. If they are just boring you out of your mind, and you're just like do. Now on the finger, it can. So here's. If you lightly press on it, there can be some noise. Sometimes. But see how quiet it is? That is just wild. So here's some fun facts about this ring. There are 16 to 24 and 52 magnets in the ring, depending on the size. So this is a size 7, so there's probably 16 and 52 magnets in here. The total thickness of this, the ring, is 2.8 millimeters. And my thing is kind of off. So this is me crushing it. But if I just regularly measure it, it's 2.8. And that's for every single ring, no matter the size. 2.8 total thickness. And also 7.7 millimeters total width for every ring. But I don't know what width they're talking about. So, yeah. And these are water resistant, but not waterproof. Don't go swimming with them. Don't wash your hands with them. Take it off. Definitely don't dump it in isopropyl alcohol. You will unseat all the magnets and it won't work at all. The material is 316 stainless steel. But the all black editions have an extra coating of diamond-like carbon. And that is an additional layer of carbon with a diamond-like structure that turns it black. And it's also like super hardened, which is pretty cool. So it makes it super durable. It also makes it so you can do this. You can just flick it. You cannot do this with the rings that are not black. The regular SS rings, you will shave off filings of metal. They will get stuck to the magnets. The ring will clog. So you can only do this with black rings. So isn't this cool? Isn't this just a cool ring? The link will be in the description. Let's get the weight of it. Let's try it with and without foam, because it got the magnets. 7.8283. So what? Okay, 7.83. It's the same. No difference. And then I wonder, here's my magnet picker-upper. Get over here. Hee hee. It can be picked up by other magnets. So if your ring is squeaky, I would contact customer service. This ring is squeaky. I'm going to contact August. But okay. So this is magnetic ring, and you've heard how quiet it is. This is mechanical ring. YEDC pig ring. Noisy, not good for meetings. And then I've got a regular magnetic ring. I mean, this is nothing fancy, but noisy. Magnetic ring. I can pinch it in but it's still noisy. Now this they've worked magic on. Except for the squeaks. But you press it down and you hear nothing. 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 How cool. How freaking cool. My goodness. Alright guys, what do you think of this ring? Is it cool enough to buy? Are you gonna get one? Do you have one? I mean, it just recently released, I think. I don't know. But the link will be in the description. I recommend it. It is an A. I can't give it an A+ because of the squeaky. But it is an A with extra credit. For the silence. It's so cool. So cool. So cool. Okay, guys. All right. I have ranted about this enough. Now it is the end of the video. Focus. All right. All right, guys. What are your thoughts on this ring? Is it cool? Is it awesome? Am I just going nuts over this for nothing? Leave your thoughts in the comments. What design would you get if you could get one? If you are going to get one? If you want one, it doesn't matter. Just let's talk about it in the comments. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Please like, please subscribe. It really helps. Have a fantastic day. Be fantastic. Be awesome. Live awesomely. Later, guys.